Making money on Fiverr, a popular freelance marketplace, can be a rewarding way to turn your skills and talents into income. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started and optimize your earning potential on Fiverr. Identify your skills and services. What are you good at? Whether it's writing, graphic design, digital marketing, voiceover, programming, or any other skill, identify what you can offer. Consider specialized niches where you might have unique expertise. Create a Fiverr profile. Sign up on Fiverr and create a professional profile. Use a high-quality profile picture and write a compelling bio that highlights your experience and skills. Build your gigs. Title. Craft a clear and attractive title for your gig. Description. Provide a detailed description of what you offer. Be clear about what's included and what might cost extra. Pricing. Start with competitive pricing. You can offer different packages with varying levels of service. Images and videos. Include high-quality images or videos to showcase your work. Keywords. Use relevant keywords to help your gig appear in search results. Offer outstanding service. Always deliver quality work that meets or exceeds client expectations. Be clear in communication and provide timely responses. Meet deadlines and keep your promises. Collect and showcase reviews. Encourage satisfied clients to leave positive reviews. Respond to reviews, thanking clients for their feedback. Build a portfolio to showcase your best work. Promote your gigs. Share your gigs on social media, your personal website, or relevant online communities. Consider using Fiverr's promotional tools to boost your visibility. Consider upselling and custom offers. Offer additional services or extras that clients can purchase. Create custom offers for clients who need tailored solutions. Monitor and adjust your strategy. Regularly review your performance and clients' feedback. Adjust pricing, descriptions, and offers based on what's working and what's not. Follow Fiverr's terms of service. Familiarize yourself with Fiverr's rules and guidelines to ensure you stay in good standing. Manage your finances. Keep track of your earnings and expenses. Consider consulting with a tax professional to understand your tax obligations. Building a successful freelancing business on Fiverr requires identifying your strengths, creating attractive gigs, providing exceptional service, and continually adapting to market needs.